Welcome to Top Picks Now. The best eyebrow stamp kit is probably one of the most innovative beauty tools to hit the market in recent years, promising perfectly shaped eyebrows in seconds. But does it live up to the hype? In this video, we're diving deep into the iMethod Eyebrow Stamp Stencil Kit, testing its ease of use, longevity, and overall performance to see if it's a game changer for your makeup routine. Get ready to find out if this stamp kit is worth the investment and if it can truly deliver flawless brows effortlessly. Number 5. Maybelline Total Temptation Eyebrow Definer Pencil. Introducing the Maybelline Total Temptation Eyebrow Definer Pencil. This must-have pencil helps you effortlessly fill in your eyebrows. Shape and blend with the built-in spoolie for a natural look. The teardrop tip makes filling in your brows easy. Then, use the spoolie brush to blend the color for a soft, defined look. It's perfect for everyday wear. Complete your eye look with this eyebrow pencil. Frame your eyes and fill in your brows with ease. It's a simple way to enhance your natural beauty. Maybelline offers a wide range of eye makeup products. From pencils to gels, they have everything you need to create your desired look. This product is a must-have. Maybelline helps you create any look you desire. Whether it's a natural or dramatic style, this product is a great addition to your makeup collection. Try it today. What we like. This eyebrow pencil features a teardrop tip for precise filling and shaping. It also includes a spoolie brush for blending, ensuring a natural look. If you like a classic pencil with a built-in brush for easy application and blending, you should consider this. What people say. The pencil shape makes it easy to make little flicks so that my brows look natural and not drawn on. The spoolie at the end is very soft and helps blend everything together. I love the color payoff. The way it glides on in the morning is great and it stays put through most of the day. Number 4. Aesthetica Brow Contour Kit, All-in-One Eyebrow Set. This kit is your all-in-one solution for stunning eyebrows. It includes everything you need to define, fill, and shape your brows. It's like having your own personal brow bar. This kit is designed with expert tools to help you achieve your dream brows. It transforms your aspirations into reality. It's the only all-inclusive eyebrow defining palette. The kit includes blendable brow powders, highlighting powder, concealer, setting wax, tweezers, stencils, and a double-ended brow brush. It has everything you need to create the perfect brow look. This travel-friendly mirrored palette allows you to have beautiful brows wherever you go. It simplifies the art of the perfect brow. You can define, fill, and shape your brows with ease. With step-by-step instructions and online tutorials, you'll gain the confidence to shape and maintain your eyebrows. It is suitable for all skin types and tones. You can achieve beautiful eyebrows on your own. The product is cruelty-free, paraben-free, and gluten-free. It's a makeup set that cares for your skin. It is perfect for everyone. What we like. This kit is an all-inclusive palette with multiple brow powders, stencils, and tools. It includes a step-by-step guide, making it perfect for beginners. If you are looking for a comprehensive kit with everything you need to create various brow looks, you should consider this. What people say. This kit is very easy to use as it comes with step-by-step instructions, and as if that isn't enough, you are also provided with a QR code to watch a step-by-step tutorial on how to use the kit. The kit comes with several different eyebrow stencils. I am able to use one of the templates to give me more consistent brow shapes. Number 3. LAVONE Brow Stamp Kit with Pencil. Tired of spending ages on your eyebrows? This kit is designed to give you flawless, symmetrical brows in just 1 minute. It's perfect for anyone, regardless of how much eyebrow hair they have. The LAVONE kit instantly outlines and fills in your brows. The results are long-lasting, smudge-proof, and waterproof. You can be confident that your brows will stay perfect all day long. Shape and define your brows with the ultra-skinny brow pencil. It coats even the finest hairs with color for a natural look. The retractable tip allows you to create the look of natural brow hairs easily. The highly pigmented formula keeps your brows firmly in place all day. It's waterproof and smudge-proof, making it ideal for any situation. Whether you're swimming or just having a busy day, this product has you covered. This LAVONE makeup kit includes everything you need. It comes with a brow pencil, eyebrow powder, 20 stencils in 10 different shapes, a sponge applicator, a dual precision brush, and a convenient zipper pouch for on-the-go use. What we like. This kit instantly defines and fills in your brows with a stamp, pencil, and pomade. It's waterproof and smudge-proof, ensuring your brows stay in place all day. If you have sparse brows or need a quick and easy solution for perfect brows, you should consider this. What people say. The stencils are easy to use. The kit comes with a variety of stencil shapes to choose from. The stamp is easy to use and the color lasts all day. Number 2. iEnvy by Kiss All-in-One Brow Pomade Dark Brown. Introducing the iEnvy by Kiss All-in-One Brow Pomade. This product is designed to give you perfect brows effortlessly. It's everything you need in one compact package. This brow pomade is waterproof, ensuring your brows stay perfect all day long. It offers 24-hour lasting wear, so you don't have to worry about touch-ups. The iEnvy Brow Pomade comes with a convenient mirror cap and stencils. These tools make application easy, helping you achieve your desired brow shape with precision. Included is a bonus duo brow brush for precise application. This brush helps to fill in and shape your brows with ease, giving you a natural look. It's available in 3 perfect shades: dark brown, chocolate, and ebony. Find the perfect match for your hair color and achieve flawless brows. What we like. This product offers a tinted brow gel with a waterproof formula for long-lasting wear. It comes with stencils and a bonus duo brow brush. If you are looking for a long-lasting, easy-to-use brow product that stays put all day, you should consider this. What people say. The best eyebrow pomade I have ever had, perfect for my skin color, and it is very easy to apply. By far the best eyebrow pomade I've owned and used for years. Very durable. Brush really does magic. Long-lasting pomade. Number 1. Simpout Eyebrow Stamping Kit, E05 Dark Brown. Introducing the Simpout Eyebrow Stamping Kit, perfect for beginners. This kit makes achieving flawless brows easy and mistake-free. It's designed for time-saving and ease of use. Unlike other kits, this one uses an upgraded eyebrow cream. The pigment stays wet, making it easy to apply. You'll get perfect brows instantly. This kit includes 29 stencils, eyebrow pomade, a sponge applicator, and a dual-ended brush. It's all neatly packed in a zipper pouch, perfect for on-the-go touch-ups. You can pick the shape you want and use the stamp. The Simpout kit offers 6 essential shades for most skin tones. The color looks natural, just like your real brows. Choose the shade that suits you best and start your makeup journey. The brow pomade is waterproof and sweat-proof, ensuring your makeup stays put all day. It won't smudge or transfer until you're ready to remove it. It's a great gift for anyone. If you have any issues, contact us. We'll help you solve them within 24 hours. We offer a return or exchange if you're not satisfied with the product. What we like. This kit uses an upgraded cream formula for easy application and long-lasting wear. It includes 29 stencils, allowing you to customize your brow shape. If you like a kit with a wide variety of stencil options and a waterproof formula, you should consider this. What people say. Once you get the hang of it after figuring out which stencil works best with your eyebrow shape, it works great. I like how small the tools are, so it makes them easy to use. I think my favorite thing about it is how many stencils they include in the set, a total of 29 stencils. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.